Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're doing well. So today we have a really fun activity that you can do when you're walking with your family or by the beach, and it's called Nature's Counting. So today we're gonna walk through it together, and these are the things that we collected in our walk. So the first one is a stick. Let's count. 1 stick. Now we're going to go to the next one. How many yellow flowers do you see? 1, 2. Now, how many white flowers do you see? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's move to the next one. These are nutshells, walnut shells that we found. So how many? Let's help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, the next one is pine cones. So how many pine cones do we see? I'm gonna let you guys count this one and I'll tell you at the end. How many did you count? Was it 5? Good job. On to the next one. Here we have white stones. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. All right, the next one is your turn. So how many wood chips do you see? Did you count 7? Good for you, that's correct. It's 7. All right, on to the next one. Let's count how many stones we have. It's again your turn. What did you count up to? Was it the number 8? Good job. All right, this is the last one we have, which is shells that we collected. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay, so now it's your turn to go out for a walk and see what you can collect. Hope you have lots of fun. Have a great day.